All right, coming to you live from Austin, Texas with Steve Sturtevant of AppDynamics. Steve, how are you?
I'm great. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. So what do you do for AppDynamics?
So I am on the pre-sales engineering team, so I have a technical position, but I work on the pre-sales side of things.
And so are you relatively new? And if so, why did you come to AppDynamics?
I am. I've been here for about 3 months. I was on the other side of the house in various engineering positions from project management, product management, and development. And I recently came to Austin a couple years ago to help out with performance engineering at PayPal. And I joined the AppDynamics team because I think that they're one of the most exciting companies in the industry right now, and I get to focus on solving really big, really hard performance problems all the time.
Cool. So if someone hasn't heard of AppDynamics, what would you say at a high level? What do y'all do?
So AppDynamics is the world's best performance management platform. We provide end-to-end visibility across your entire enterprise from a transaction standpoint, so we can show you what business transactions are executing. We baseline what's normal activity, and that allows us to tell you when you're deviating away from normal. So we give you that scorecard capability to understand how you're doing. So what transactions are executing, and as they deviate away from normal, we give you the yellow light before it gets to that critical state. We also allow you to integrate your DevOps automation, so not only can you tell that there's about to be a problem, but automatically remediate. So that all of that operations playbook capability, but automatically integrated into the environment.
And that was what I was going to ask you about, is within the greater ecosystem, what are some of the packages that you interact with or offerings?
Sure. So we've got full coverage for Java.net, Node.js, and PHP. We're seeing a lot of exciting things happen on the Node.js side. It's really an up-and-coming technology. For the AppDynamics platform itself, the DevOps automation, we're seeing more and more organizations ask about that, and as their practices mature, being able to take those auto remediation actions in response to health policies and outages is an exciting technology, as well as the analytics side. So because we run as part of the application, we really have deep understanding and analytics capability for your real-time business metrics.
And what type of people would be using it? First, what type of people within an organization, and then what type of organization? Is it finance? Is it web? Is it manufacturing?
So there's really a lot of use for the platform across the life cycle. So the organizations that we see adopt AppDynamics are the ones whose revenue and business really depends on the health and the availability of their system. So if you're a software-defined business, someone that deploys your fundamental business value online or through software, then performance and availability is important, and that's where AppDynamics comes in. And across the spectrum of roles, from operations to development manager to developer who wants source line of code diagnostics, as well as business analysts. So the ability to get real-time business metrics to understand how is your revenue impacted by performance outages. We see a lot of different people leveraging our platform.
Awesome. And then just to conclude with, anything that's non-secret but that's coming down the pike for AppDynamics this year, what can we look forward to in the next release?
So we just announced our application intelligence platform, and that's the ability, you're going to see some really exciting thing about real-time business metrics and deep analytics capability in addition to our world-class best-of-breed APM technology.
Awesome. Steve Sturtevant, thank you so much.
All right, thank you.